It's Just Do Whatever, and I'm your host, Just Do Whatever, and it's time for thermal paste. So, let's get to it. Lid's off. Since the battery upgrade, she's been purring really well. And this is what we're up to today. This cold plate heat pipe into heatsink. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And it also looks like the fan is coming off. I've happened across an inhabitant of my fan, a solid dust bunny. So already I've made progress. Like, this entire aperture was full of that dust bunny. So also I removed heat pipe and heatsink. So blow out those fins next. Fins have been liberated. So except for that one, I think that one's bent. Fins are looking pretty good. They weren't that clogged, I feel. Seems like the fan did all the clogging and didn't really get to the heatsink. There is a clean cold plate. Also, I finished the processor over here. So that is one clean processor. Here is my compound of choice, Arctic MX4. Alright. Paste has been applied. It's in. Putting the heatsink screws back in. They have these nice spring-loaded auto torquing outriggers. So you finger tight until the screws bottom out, and it takes it from there. Time to turn it on. It's all together. Here we go. Do you hear that? Me neither. It's already quieter. And look at that. Full turbo, 2600 and change.